What's up, guys? This is Slime's YouTube channel. We're just gonna play with slimes, not try to find slime. We already found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We found 6 things. Now we'll be trying to make something out of these slimes. Let's see. First is the one moon. It's the first one is moon. Let's let's do this one first. Ooh, let's put it here. Yeah. Let's do the superhero there. Yeah. The astronaut walking there. Yeah. Oh, they have to keep steady. Yeah. Oh, he doesn't want to stay. Yeah. The moon could be there. Yeah, this one is lying. Everyone is trying to sleep, yeah? Don't sleep. First, we have to introduce Rocket Ship. Hello, my name is Rocket Ship, and I can fly anywhere I want. See? Shoo, shoo, shoo. And second, let's introduce Moon. Hi, I'm Moon. I'm a planet. I can travel anywhere I want. Hello, hello, hello. Now let's introduce Super Astronaut. Hi, I'm Super Astronaut. I can fly and be a hero. I save people from villains. I'm Super Astronaut. Shoo, shoo. Hi, I am very tired astronaut. I am so tired I really want to sleep. Sorry about that. I'm Rocket Ship. I can fly anywhere I want. I'm definitely like that guy. Hi, I'm Astronaut. I can survive in planets. Hi. It's so hard to walk, and you can jump high in planets. Yeah. It's the end of the story. That's introducing all our mates.